Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to apply dynamic weather wallpaper on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, unlock your iPhone with Face ID or Touch ID. Tap and hold on the lock screen after unlocking your iPhone with Face ID or Touch ID. Tap the blue plus button or swipe leftward until you reach the end, then from Add New Screen, tap blue plus sign. From top row, swipe left and tap Weather button. From here, you can add widgets. Then, in the top right corner of the screen, tap Add button when you are satisfied with the customization. Tap Set as Wallpaper Pair in the pop-up to make the dynamic weather wallpaper appear on both your iPhone lock screen and home screen. That's it. These are the steps to apply dynamic weather wallpaper on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.